Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to draw line about text in Word like this. It's very easy. Let's get started. First, click on the Insert tab and at the right hand side you will see here the option Equation. Click on this equation icon and you will see this box. Now what you have to do is under the equation, click on the Accent drop down, scroll down at the bottom and you will see here the option overbar. It is also called overline. After clicking on it, you will see here dotted box with the line. Click inside the box. Now click on ABC text and start typing what you want, and you will see that as we type, the line expands itself above the text. Just click outside the box. Click on that like button if this video solved your problem. Subscribe and press the bell icon to support the channel. Thank you.